Hi folks, Tom Middlestat, Regional Vice President for Palm Harbor Homes. I sent an email out about 10 miles back to JR about something super special. We're in Victoria today. Go ahead, JR.
So Tom came down today, right before he got to Victoria, sent me an email, shows up to make sure I got the email. I've never seen someone follow up on an email in person, but that's Tom. The email says, JR, please review the attached list. I know you don't have any extra inventory that we need to move out, but I could use your help in Victoria moving this extra inventory for the region. I'm authorizing you to sell these homes $1,000 over cost. Go get them, and thanks.
Did I say 1,000 over cost?
$1,000 over cost. So we've got a list of 16 homes throughout the region that need to be moved. So our region is backed up with extra inventory, and we've done such a great job here in Victoria of keeping our inventory under control and moving out all the extra inventory that we got, that Tom has specifically asked us for our help. So we want to offer this to you guys. We're selling all 16 of these homes $1,000 over our cost. So you're getting them at an employee's discount, basically. So if you guys have any interest in buying a home, if you even thought maybe it's the time we take this step and go buy a house, call us today. Guys, there's never going to be a deal like this again. This is a once-in-a-lifetime thing that you get a house $1,000 over true cost. Call us today at 361-576-2171. Stop by, see me, Tom, and the entire Victoria staff. We look forward to seeing you all. Thank you.